can't, like, you've got to try and work out exactly how many drops. Like, I don't know, you know, this is what we want to do. But did you say there was a way that we could do it before we actually pour it into our beaker?
These are the secret. Because once you start blending and you realise this does not work together, you wasted some really expensive oils, and sometimes it just doesn't work. So use the scent strips. So when there are heaps everywhere, we got 700 here. So go for it. So we have. So you take. So you have written down what you would like to compose your fragrance from. So it was maybe 2 top notes. There could be 4 middle notes and 3 base notes. You put them together, put a drop of each, put them together, and then you go, does that work? No, it doesn't work. I'll take this off. Does it work? No. Maybe I'll take another one. Maybe I should add some git, another, or it could be bergamot, more bergamot. Or you can put more bergamot on the strap and see, does that work? And then until you get an idea of what is the scent like. It's a way of not wasting a lot of very expensive oils.